Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Dahlias will give you a really long flowering season. They will go from probably about June time through to the frosts. They are a plant though, they're a little bit more high maintenance because they really benefit from you cutting off the old flowers, known as deadheading. It's a case of tracing back. We've got here Bishop of Llandaff, which is one of the best selling in the world apparently. And they always get described as dog nose. If they've finished, they're quite long. Whereas if they're coming, they're quite nice and fat. So that's one you want to keep, that's one you want to lose. What you're always doing is you're tracing down to the next good bit. So if I just take that there, for example, that's just going to go brown. There's no growth nose there, nothing's going to happen. Even if I take to this join, all we've got here is two flowers that finished, so there's still nothing any good here. These old flowers are blocking any good new growth. So we're going down again, because we can see here we've got a nice fat bud, so that's what we want to keep. And that's what we're going to cut down to. And we'll go through again, we've got here nice fat buds. That's a bad bit. Two fat buds. Dog nose has gone bad. You see an awful lot of plants, the flowers, they grow as a three, and it's the middle one that comes out first, so then that finishes, so then you're cutting that away and leaving the two side bits, and then you often have to keep tracing down. If there isn't anything and there's no buds, keep going down. Sometimes you will end up going virtually to the base of the plant, but that is what you need to do to get rid of the dead clutter, to encourage the plant to keep making new bits. When you have the flashier looking dahlias, when they've got double flowers, pom-poms, that sort of thing, it's worth keeping an eye on them because they can make a terrible mess if you let them go over. We can see here that's dropping the petals, and if you leave that even longer they'll go brown, they'll get really messy. So if you don't want to keep going out every single night, way to look is have a look at the back, because that is still looking good, so we know that has got several days in it still. That one's not too bad. As we can see, that one has gone, so we need to get in there, going down all the way to a join. But because we have left that a bit longer, we are going to have to do a little bit of clearing up, because it really does spoil the plant if you let it get filled up with all these petals, because as I said, they do go brown, they start to spoil the leaves. We'll clear all that away.